the entire sun. Hold it at a distance, it will only be a piece of cotton. So often, you hold certain issues close to your heart, and then you'll be blinded of everything else. Give the issue its rightful place, and then you will be able to see how blessed you are. Miss Contest Chair, esteemed Toastmasters, and precious guests. It is not the outside of the gas balloon, but the inside of it which takes it to the top. And all gas balloons are made of the same inside stuff. Extending this analogy, every human being is made of the same inside stuff. And there is no difference between one human being and another human being. That morning, he was only a barrister. By entering the train, he was still a barrister. While that verbal abuse began from those whites in South Africa, because a colored man has entered the compartment, he was still a barrister. While being thrown out of the train, in spite of holding the lawful ticket to board the train, he was still a barrister. Laying down on the platform, humiliated, vanquished, embarrassed, was still a barrister. But then in a moment, it all happened. The father of the nation was born out of a Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The difference between the legend and also ran is the difference in the manifestation of the latent potential within him. Every human being is a sleeping volcano. Every human being can achieve everything what he intends to do. There is no difference between one human being and another human being, as long as the potential is sleeping within him. I believe everyone present in this hall today has within them an unwritten autobiography. Every history reader can be a history maker. On an October afternoon, a 12-year-old kid from a lower middle class family drove his new bicycle to the Columbian Auditorium. Later when he went back there, it had been stolen. Someone said, the police officer is in the basement. This ferocious, stormy, perspiring kid went running into the basement. And instead of asking about his bicycle, he said, Mr. Police Officer, give me the thief, I want to beat him. Laughing at the innocence of this child, the police officer said, well, you better learn to fight first before you start challenging others. That kid, that black kid from a small family, has never got his bicycle back, but he instead became the athlete of the century, the greatest, the Muhammad Ali, the champion boxer world has ever seen. You must understand that deep inside the core of the earth, there is rock and there is gold. As long as they remain in the core of the earth, there is no difference in the value. It is only when they are excavated that one gains value over the other. Similarly, there is no difference between one human being and another human being as long as the potential is sleeping within. Every morning looks similar, but it is not. Every moment looks similar, but it is not. A zillion forces, known, unknown, unknowable, are acting upon this one moment. And you being present in it with intense awareness will make all the difference. You never know which moment. You never know which day. It can be this. It can be the next. It can be a decade from now. But it will happen. It will happen to every one of you. If you are aware of, with intense awareness of every moment of your life. Believe me, the pains, the dreams are the pains of a great artist. Your dreams are your pains. And the world is your canvas. Believing is the only brush which can convert your dreams into a masterpiece of reality. If a humiliation can make a Mahatma Gandhi, and the disappointment and angriness of a kid can create a monster like Muhammad Ali, I firmly believe there is a hidden meaning in every moment of your life. The greatest Muhammad Ali once said, I run long on the road before I get a dance to walk. He said, I hated every minute of training, but I said, Don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. This contestant.